Let's now move on, and there's some more breaking news coming in at this point in time, and this is about the ongoing election season in the wake of complaints by the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Congress against one another in the ongoing assembly elections in Maharashtra and Jharkhand. The Election Commission, in separate letters to the BJP President JP Nadda and Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge today, asked them to comment on the complaint of the other political party. In fact, the commission has now sought a response from the Congress as well as the BJP. Let's go across to my colleague Tejshri joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Tejshri, explain to us the response that has come from the Election Commission for both Congress and the BJP on the complaints filed by these two parties.
Well, the Election Commission has sought a response from both the party presidents, from BJP's JP Nadda and Congress party president Mallikarjun Kharge as well, and also in that particular letter that EC has written, they have also reminded both the parties that the advisory was also issued to both the party presidents that they should keep an eye on the kind of statements that the party leaders have made. Remember that BJP and Congress, both the parties have knocked the doors of Election Commission for the kind of statements both the party leaders have been making. If we talk about Congress, if we talk about the BJP, then BJP complained to Election Commission for the kind of statements Rahul Gandhi made in the state of Maharashtra for in fact taking the business from Maharashtra to other states, and also in fact BJP complained to Election Commission for Muslim body polarizing the Maharashtra elections. On the other hand, Congress had also complained to the Election Commission for the statements that Prime Minister had made regarding SC and ST. But we'll have to see how both the parties respond to the Election Commission on Monday.
All right. Thank you very much, Tejshri.